so bored. I've been coloring all day and it's still raining. I just want to hang out with Alfred. Oh, I wish he'd call. Oh, my phone! Where's my phone? Where's my phone? There it is. Hello? Hey, Alfred! What do you mean? You're outside! Ah! Where are you outside? I'll come get you. The fifth tree? Okay, I got it. I'll be right there. Bye, buddy. Come on, Alfred, I'm coming. I'm coming, Alfred. Ah! 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 1, 2, 3, no. 1, 2, Alfred, where are you? Alfred! Alfred! I'm coming! I got you, buddy! What? You got some explaining to do, buddy. What are you doing out there by yourself? It's all wet out there, man. You're soaked. And I'm soaked, and your phone's soaked, and